Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do how-to videos. If you like this channel, please leave a like and subscribe. And keep watching. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how to change the look and feel of your YouTube video so that you can get subscribers without doing anything at all. So keep watching. So in this video, I'm going to go over a couple of things that I did to change the look and feel of my YouTube channel. And I haven't made a YouTube video for a little bit right now, but I noticed over the last month or so, I keep getting new subscribers. I get a little notification on my phone every single time someone subscribes to the channel, but I haven't made any changes. Since those initial changes, I haven't uploaded any new videos, but I'm still getting new viewers. So I'm going to go over the things that I did to change my channel from looking kind of like a fun, quirky channel to being more sleek and refined and easy to locate certain things. So the first thing that I did is I changed my channel banner. So that's the kind of bar that's got your kind of description and your name and all that stuff at the top of your YouTube channel. So I changed that. I changed the colors and I changed the lettering. And actually, I also changed the links on that little banner area. So I noticed that a lot of people had more pastel-y and like earth tone colors, and I had like really dark stuff and like pictures of just me and stuff. And I realized not everybody wants to just see you in the banner. They want to actually learn something when they go to a YouTube channel. So what I did is I tried to appeal to the largest audience possible. So 18 to 24-year-old people who goes and searches for how-to videos. You know, I want kids to look at it. I want women and men and, like I said, 18 to 24-year-olds to actually all be looking at my channel. So I changed it so that I had earth tone colors and pastels. But I also changed the font because I realized that a lot of people, they actually don't watch their YouTube videos on a computer. Some people watch it on their TV, they watch it on their phone. I think a lot of people watch YouTube on their phone or a tablet. And so it's hard to see things, to read stuff on a phone with like really small print. So I made all of the print on my banner bigger. And I cut down a lot of the words and all the frilly stuff. And so I only put, new videos every other day or something like that, and how-to videos to say this channel is about how-to videos. And the picture in the back is a picture of a camera, so it shows, oh, okay, you're going to be talking about photography or videos or YouTube videos. So, just to make people clearly understand what the channel is about. I also have my name, and then I have links to my social media where you can find more information about me. So that's my YouTube banner. That's what I changed. So no super bright colors because people get, kind of turned off by that sort of thing. So muted colors, kind of like three main colors. I think I used black and white and pink or something like that. And that's it. Thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails are actually really important. If you go back on my channel, you'll see that I have the same design for every single thumbnail. I use the same font, the large font for the titles, and I have a little design with like a picture of my face or whatever. And clearly each thumbnail says exactly what's going to be in the video. And that's it. I've been trying to change my channel a little bit just to have a different view. I want to change the theme of my channel a little bit. So if you see the last maybe 5 videos, they're a little bit different. But if you scroll down and look through all the other videos on my channel, they have the same thumbnail. And that's really important because it allows people to see you and recognize, oh, this is her video going on. So I think in the future I might change the thumbnails to be a little bit brighter colors or something like that. But that's what I mean. The thumbnail should be consistent, have the same lettering, and be easy to read. Like I said, easy to read on a phone. Say you're on the train or something, you want to see a how-to video about like SEO or something like that. The title on the thumbnail should say SEO clearly, where people can read it. So text. I think that all of my channel, all my videos, like the description for the video, like the title, and actually on the thumbnail, it's all like short text and it's to the point. There's no like super long run-on sentence and stuff. At one time, somebody told me to have like catchy phrases or like keywords in the title. You just need maybe 4 or 5 words that clearly describe what the video is about, and maybe like a separator and say like this is series 1, or you know, this is when I did it, or the date or something like that, and that's it. Like I said, people don't want to read a big long thing. People, their attention span is really short. So they just want to hear, you know, what is the video about? When is it? When can I watch it? And what's the most important stuff? So yeah, just all the important stuff at the very beginning and in bigger font and clearly. I use sans serif font, so not cursive-y, kind of curly, pretty writing. I use the ones where people can read it, like Arial or Times New Roman, maybe not Times New Roman, but Arial or Impact or something like that, that is clearly print and people can read it. Because, you know, not everybody that's reading your stuff is English, right? Your avatar. So in the corner of your videos, I think I now have a picture of myself, but at one time I had a graphic or an avatar in the corner. So you don't have to do this, you don't have to have that, but I highly suggest you get, you know, just take a picture with your cell phone that's high enough quality. I'm sure you can take a picture with an iPhone that looks really nice, and make that your avatar and, you know, link it to a subscriber link. You want to do this because you want people to actually be clicking on it to subscribe. You don't want them to just go up to the subscribe button or hit the bell for notifications and stuff like that. You want to be able to go into like the text underneath your video and put in that special subscriber link. And you want to be able to, you know, put that little call to action so that people click on it right away. You can also, maybe in the comments, you could probably put that subscriber link in there and get people to subscribe that way instead of just going up. If you have lots of different ways for people to subscribe to your channel, then you'll get more subscribers, I think. It's categories or playlists. So I have my channel kind of, I don't know, it's a little bit different. When you're a new viewer to my channel, you see a page with my last video on it, or like my most popular video on it, and then you can go to the video page and then see the rest of the videos. It's just not automatically going to the video page. If you go automatically to the video page, you see every single video that was ever made on that channel. And yeah, I think it's kind of like overwhelming for people to see those things. So it's good to have playlists where you can like on your main page say, oh, these are how-to videos at the top, or oh, these are sneaker videos on the bottom, you know, so that people can click on that playlist or that category and they can watch videos in that specific category. Because some people, they go to your channel to see one thing and you might do 2 or 3 different things and they don't want to have anything to do with those 2 other things. They just want to hear about how-to videos. So I was just getting some playlists. I noticed that some people, they just go to my channel and they look at, you know, Snapchat videos. How do you do Snapchat videos and things like that? And those are really popular videos on my channel. And they just look at all of those and none of the other videos. So this video is just being about how to improve the look and feel of your channel in order to get more subscribers without doing anything at all. If you like this channel, like I said, please subscribe and leave a like or a comment. And I'll see you on the next one.